everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about data room audit trail tracking document activities. Let's get started. Why are data room audit trails important? Security. Data room audit trails can help to identify and investigate unauthorized access to documents. This can help to protect confidential information and to prevent data breaches. Compliance. Data room audit trails can help businesses to comply with industry regulations and standards. For example, the General Data Protection Regulation requires businesses to keep a record of who has access to personal data and what they have done with it. Troubleshooting. Data room audit trails can be used to troubleshoot problems with documents. For example, if a document is missing or corrupted, you can use the audit trail to track down who last accessed the document and what they did with it. Transparency. Data room audit trails can help to increase transparency and accountability. For example, you can use the audit trails to see who has viewed a particular document and to track the progress of a due diligence review. How to track document activities in a data room. Enable audit logging. Most data room providers offer audit logging as a feature. Make sure to enable audit logging for all of the documents in your data room. Review the audit trail regularly. Once you have enabled audit logging, you should review the audit trail regularly to identify any suspicious activity. For example, you should look for unauthorized access to documents or for the users who are downloading or printing a large number of documents. Investigate any suspicious activity. If you identify any suspicious activity in the audit trail, you should investigate it immediately. This may involve tracking the users who was involved in the activity or taking disciplinary action against the user. Tips for tracking documents activities in a data room. Use a data room provider that offers robust audit logging features. Not all the data room providers offer the same audit logging features. Make sure to choose a data room provider that offers the features you need. Configure audit logging to meet your specific needs. You can usually configure audit logging to track different types of activities such as who has accessed a document, when they accessed it, and what actions they took. Configure audit logging to track the types of activity that are most important to you. Review the audit trail regularly. The audit trail is only useful if you review it regularly. Set aside some time and each week or month to review the audit trail for any suspicious activity. Investigate any suspicious activity immediately. If you identify any suspicious activity in the audit trail, don't hesitate to investigate it immediately. The sooner you investigate the activity, the better your chances of preventing any damage. Conclusion. Data room audit trails are an important security feature that you need to protect your confidential information and to comply the industry regulations. By following the tips above, you can track documents activity in your data room effectively and efficiently. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.